You're live, you're live.
अच्छा व्यूअर्स मुझसे बेपना
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You all look like fucking psychos.
She was trying to say fishing. We were like fishing. So basically, Adi saying something.
Adi saying something.
Okay. Sorry for that.
I was saying, let's start with, okay, this is, we have finished the shooting part of it, dubbing part is left, so
And you still have 2 more days.
Part of it is also yes.
and telecast part also is
But
left.
we're done shooting the show. And we're all here, all of us together to thank
All.
you guys.
Thank you. Lots of love.
For all the love, for all the support, and for the crazy trending.
Which has happened
For feeling this
over the
void
weeks.
with
Over the
us.
weeks.
Yes.
For feeling this void with us. Thank you.
Are there any questions coming to us? Can you ask us something? If
Because
they're
we can't see.
asking-
You have to tell us.
Questions,
Or should we
Yeah,
ask
Nehan, okay,
Same
Nehan is asking questions.
Okay, Nehan, come on. Go on.
Nehan, go Nehan, baby, go.
So I'll start the question with Anirudh. Anirudh, say thank you to the people.
That's the question. That's the command. I will say thank you to everybody.
Okay. So I want to say thank you to everybody who's watching right now and has been watching for the past 8 months. One thing I have realized that you guys made us realize what we have created with the kind of love that you've given us. It is impossible when we do work here, we don't realize what we are creating. But the moment you guys come in and appreciate it, that is when we take it out from here कि यार हमने कुछ कमाल का काम किया, इतने सारे लोग प्यार करते हैं. We've seen the 1 million trending, we've seen everything.
Yeah.
We know
Top 3
everything.
trending. We saw. Yeah.
Do not end Bepana.
Yes, everything we've seen.
You've laughed with us, you've cried with us.
They're asking about season 2.
Let us finish. Friday is the last episode. Let's finish Friday. Then we'll talk about everything else.
And let's like live in right now.
Yeah.
I don't know, let's
Take 1 day.
So they're going to come
Wish.
back as their kids.
dream as kids.
As your kids.
Okay, now I have to ask Jenny and
फिर हम
Harsha.
भाई बहन हो जाएंगे.
You need bhai behan.
कुछ नया ना?
I want to ask you both your favorite memory with Harshit and your favorite memory with Jenny.
तुम पहले तुमको पहले पूछा मेरे को याद कर दोनों में से किसी को याद नहीं है.
Jenny,
Yeah.
answer.
Yes,
बस ये फंसा.
नहीं
अब ये बोलेगा मैं चल
मैं बताता हूँ 2-3 है मतलब बहुत सारे याद आ रहे हैं वो वाला.
जेनी के मुख से डर गया. 2-3 है.
सबसे बेस्ट
अब बोलूं क्या?
बोलो.
So we went to this प्रमोशन के लिए कहाँ गए थे हम लोग सबसे पहले?
इंदौर.
नहीं भाई जहाँ पर ऊपर स्टेज पे गोविंदा था.
Govinda K. Govinda K. Govinda Sir.
राइजिंग
Rising
स्टार.
Star.
मेरी फटी पड़ी थी.
Big
और मतलब हाँ मेरी बहन.
समझ गए. अगर मैं बोल सकती हूँ तो तुम भी बोल सकते हो.
मुझे डर लग रहा था आगे.
You always need a writer, remember that.
उस टाइम पे she has been my savior there.
Oh.
It's okay. समझ जाएगा सब संभाल लिया इसने सब कुछ. उसके
जो
बाद
कुछ
we
होगा
went
अच्छा
to an
होगा.
award function. उस दिन संभाला. उसके बाद there was this scene we were shooting.
Award.
एक और अवार्ड फंक्शन जहाँ तुम जाना नहीं चाहते थे फिर भी आना पड़ा, वो भी संभाला.
फिर वो अपन लोग एयरपोर्ट का शूट कर रहे थे और मैं बहुत हड़बड़ी में था क्योंकि
वो सुन रहे हैं.
लेकिन मेरे को याद
सुना.
अरे वो याद हाँ अपने अपने को पैकअप करने का था जल्दी जल्दी और जल्दी जल्दी रश में करना था।
अरे
याद तो करने को सुन रहा है।
वो शक्ल देखिए
यहाँ लिखा हुआ है
स्क्रिप्ट इधर है,
वो पता है। मैं देख रहा हूँ इसे कैसे हो रहा है, पता नहीं कैसे हो रहा है, पता नहीं कैसे हो रहा है।
अच्छा ये वो वाला सीन है जब अंगूठी रोल करके आती है पाँव के पास में।
Yes.
ओके अंगूठी वाला सीन।
मैंने नहीं बताया, तुम्हें एक बताओ।
Okay, now Jenny, your turn.
Yeah, I think there have been so many scenes where मैं सीन पढ़ती हूँ, मेरे को ये नहीं बोलना, ये क्या है, मैं नहीं बोल रही है, क्या नहीं बोल रही है, and then I go on the set
Hello.
and Harshad has
Decline, yeah. Decline.
So every time I don't want to say anything in the scene, and this is surprisingly from the very first time we started shooting till the last day, I have a problem.
Don't delete it this time.
Someone important.
And Harshad knows what I will not say, and he will prepare his lines and my lines and my pauses. And last 8 months, I don't think any co-actor has handled me. And the word is handled. He has handled me so well. So well.
He's a wonderful handler.
Okay, quick, Amita, fast. Amita is our
Fast my watch.
our lovely creative director.
Yes.
Thank you. हाँ, so बोलिए आपका one
मैं क्या
good
बोलूं?
experience.
बताइए आप बेपना
अचानक से
किसके बारे में बोलूं गुड
बेपना के बारे में नहीं इंडिविजुअल नहीं ये तो नहीं
About the show. How has it been working for the show?
she want to say like any other show
बहुत तकलीफ दी आप लोगों ने, बहुत मैं क्या ही
परेशान
किया आप लोगों ने।
अमिता चल अब तो शो खत्म हो गया, कल से देना मेरे को बताओ। परेशान कितना किया हमने?
किसने? हमने बहुत ज्यादा बट
ऐसे
इट्स ओके।
बट क्या बट
मैं तुमको सबसे ज्यादा कम
तो परेशानी तो अभी हमसे किसी ने नहीं किया इतना ज्यादा। You don't know my record और परेशानी आज जेनिफर विंगेट ओके।
That's why I asked you this question.
This was really not parishani. This was a cakewalk. I am having parishani.
thank you so much for the backhanded compliment
No, but this is, I'm telling you.
So-
That's why I asked her this.
No. Honest to God, it's a lovely team. Jenny, I've been working for like 8 years now. अब ये तीसरा शो है।
I thought
तो
forever.
I love you.
इस मेकअप शो में पता नहीं तुम लोगों ने कितनी बार ये किया
हमने
है।
बहुत कुछ किया है मेकअप
और अब मतलब हम लोग का क्या रिकॉर्ड है एक फोटो
Amita
बना के
and
छाप देते
me
हैं वहाँ
have
पे
been together for a very long time,
Yes.
taking care of each other, consoling each other,
sailing through as well
Yes.
fighting, consoling. We've done it all.
Harshad, I'm working for the first time, but as Jenny said, he's a pleasure. He's a thorough. वो अच्छे बच्चे की तरह अपनी लाइन्स करके आता है, मैं सब कुछ करके आता हूँ और दूसरे कुछ करके आता है, तो गुड बॉय है।
कि कहीं कोई फंस जाए तो
Papa Huda, again my second show with Papa Huda. He is,
Thank God you have become at least Papa Huda.
मतलब राजेश कटक खत्म हो गया मतलब बाकी अभी कलर्स
अच्छा, okay, no Papa Huda, Rajesh Khanna. Okay, this is my second show with him, and he's an absolute delight like always. First show, I had to really convince him to come back to TV, and this time it did take me time, and I hope that he's not regretting it as well.
no
Sir, did I make it worth the while?
I used to look forward
इसे कहते हैं बेपना.
I used to look forward to my scenes. I used to look forward to my scenes with him. Besides Jenny is what I meant. Like I mean,
I'm an afterthought. I am an afterthought.
पहली
You are a
बार
given
बोला
lady,
था,
Tina.
पहली बार बेटी बोला था।
ये वो कमीनी बेटी जिसने बाप को फॉलो किया और जब बाप शरीफ बना तो बेटी जरूरत से ज्यादा शरीफ बनी
मैं बहू बन के आऊंगी
हर रूप देखेंगे
हर रूप देखेंगे।
It's been so with you, so it's been fantastic, and I think more than Behad, Bepana we really bonded.
Yes.
because
And we had more scenes.
We did have more
We
scenes.
did have
but
more
we were
scenes.
so busy hating each other that we forgot.
That we should not bond. So that like, it might
we were in
reflect.
character. We were in character. Yeah, but it's
Okay,
been
so
so
now, Rosha,
Yes.
come on, your
Hi.
experience first.
Oh, you are top.
Oh!
Yes, Arya.
I'm going to talk.
Yes.
So, what am I doing? By the way?
Absolutely delightful.
No, she was asking about a character. What is she doing, by the way?
No, okay. A very generic thing we'll do. We'll go with everybody and everybody will talk about their experience.
Yeah.
Correct? Experience on it.
Experience working with me and Anita.
Yeah.
And it's like,
It's been an absolutely delightful experience to work with such wonderful souls. And आप लोगों का इतना प्यार मिला है तो रोशना को मुझे पता नहीं था कि मेरे अंदर एक रोशना कहीं छुपी हुई है. So
वो निकल के बाहर आई.
So thanks for bringing her out. And Jenny, you're being an amazing daughter.
उन्होंने आपके अंदर से माँ निकाली है.
Thank you for getting such a handsome daमाद for me.
ओए समझी. जो रोज गुड मॉर्निंग करते थे.
The only regret I have, I've never had a scene with Papa Huda.
पापा होगा.
हम वो करके आए थे इनके घर पे.
1 second.
चेक उड़ा के.
Brandy will be watching this. Don't say that. You want to have a scene with Papa Huda?
Wendy has done enough work to
I
know
have
this.
immense respect. I have immense respect for this man. He's so witty and intelligent. But the entire team has been so amazing. And thank you, Anirudh sir. And thank you everyone who I've shared the screen with. And thank you, Anita, for giving me that opportunity. Thank you.
Now, dear Malika.
Malika ji.
I am going to be quick. A very, very big thank you to Anis sir and Amita. I owe everything to them for giving
Every
me
scene to them.
Sakshi. I love you both. Thank you so very much. A pleasure working with everyone out here. Harshad is like a son to me, and will always be. I love him so much. And Jenny is a wonderful person, a very well bred, very well brought up, and very well mannered, and a perfect daughter, a perfect person one can ever have around.
You know what?
I love you.
I love you. Thank you.
अच्छा पेपर निकाल के देखो कुछ छूटा तो.
This is like the Mad Hatter who I've already worked with.
Mad Hatter.
And Pari, my best friend for life.
ये roommates हैं.
As much as we fight, but I love her. I love her a lot. Vaishu and her one-liner.
अरे वैसे की तो छुपे ली है.
The best host ever one can ever have. My curly head. Iqbal sir, जिसके साथ मैंने scenes नहीं किए, but a wonderful person again. Shweta. Okay. You were supposed to make it quick. I love you all.
Okay, what do I say? I don't know. I want to obviously.
Thanking them is done.
I love playing Anjana. I really love my own role.
Correct.
But I love working with each and every one.
And the first thing I used to check out when I used to come in the morning, what exactly am I doing in the scene? I got so many dialogue. Oh, आप कुछ कर रहे हैं?
अच्छा, any special screen?
There's one question. What is everyone going to do after this? That's one question that's repeat. What is everyone going to do after this? Is repeated.
Looking for work. Sleep. Looking for work.
Work-wise.
Answer this question at the end. Answer this question at the end.
Work-wise.
Now, Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi, I don't know. Mahi.
You have burnt.
Anybody so nice.
Anybody?
In 3 months, I have really connected with everybody. Normally ऐसा होता है कि एक साथ होता है and then you bond so bond is like
long as it's
But yeah. So thank you for Maypara and thank you for so much love, and it has given me wonderful people in my life, and it has given me a lot. So thank you. Thank you very much.
so this Facebook
When Harsha Jenny.
Come on, Shazam. Okay.
Okay, so much to say. I won't take a lot of time. In fact, I should, because we've given you guys a year. You all should give us a lot of time.
अभी तक content नहीं आया.
But to start with, okay, chalo, to start with. Family, this is what the best family would possibly look like. In life, you couldn't ask for anything more. I couldn't ask for anything more. 2018 has been a gift. Thanks to these guys. They killed it for me. They've given me everything I could ask for. And more. And then that's where the journey begins, and then all of this happens. So I'm sure you've been a part of the journey. Jenny, I love you. Harsha, I love you more. Listen, get the equation right. One second. I'm going. I'm not smart. You mentioned me 6 times today. I love you more. I love you all.
The most.
The most.
To infinity and beyond.
What about me?
So, if I go back to thank you so much.
The captain of the ship.
Me and
The captain of the ship.
of course. Yeah, so all right, let's get to that.
कल स्क्रिप्ट I don't miss out or not? You don't let me talk about you also. You want me to
Of course.
Okay, so thank you very much.
He says he's not going to miss Asha because we meet her every day.
Wait, let him finish. Okay. So, here is the show. We're not saying anything more. I hope all of you found the Arjun that sir was looking for. I had a blast playing him. I couldn't ask for anything more. Sir, I love you. I couldn't ask for anything more. Thank you. Get your Papa Huda. Papa Huda has been a gift to all of us in every single Look at this.
मुझे तो कभी कोई गिफ्ट नहीं दिया
मेरे को कुछ बड़े वाला कमरे में
सर बैंडी देखती है
वो शो नहीं देखती है लेकिन ये देखेगी
ये मेरा पहला शो ऑफ कोर्स, तो मैं सबको थैंक
पहले ताली
मुझे कोई एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं था कि बड़े एक्टर्स के साथ कैसे काम
बड़े एक्टर्स
उम्र की बात कर रही है
लगाने की
नहीं, मैं सच दिल से बोल रही हूँ।
बड़े मतलब
जैसे मैंने सुना था कि नूर के लिए बहुत सारी लड़कियां ढूंढी जा रही थी, दिल्ली में मिली।
Very true. अरे दिल्ली में मेरा है
I'm telling you, she saw this.
Sorry, sweetie, I can't take your call right now.
So I still remember that day when I got a call. You have been selected for this role and you are shooting from tomorrow. So I was like, okay, now अभी तो मैं करने वाली हूँ कुछ बड़ा. So जेनिफर के साथ काम करने का I don't know मौका मिला और ये मौका आप लोगों ने मुझे दिया. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. मैं यहाँ पर दीदी और kid like a kid and मैं एक छोटा बच्चा हूँ जो यहाँ पर
सीख रहे हो।
यहाँ पे खिल गया हूँ।
कली की कला बन गई।
Actually, मेरी ट्रेनिंग चल रही थी यहाँ पर। मैं हर एक एक्टर से यहाँ पर सीखी हूँ। हर्षद, I love you.
Number one.
Handsome number one. Happy, I love you. I love you. And I don't know. Thank you मुझे नूर से कोहिनूर बनाने के लिए.
She gets a coffee hamper.
ओके, बात कर रहे हैं। मैं नूर के लिए पहले बोल दूं। नूर कली से कला बनी है।
Yes, मैं कली से कला बन चुकी हूँ and thank you.
Okay. Thank you everybody. From my side, this is my team. So इनको तो मैंने personally thank you बोल दिया. Now thank you to you audience and thank you for your passionate love with बेपना. मैं हमेशा आप लोगों को देखता रहता हूँ, अजीब अजीब से सवाल करते हैं, इमोशनल। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि ये खत्म हो रहा है, बिकॉज मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हर एक अंत के साथ ही जुड़ा रहता है एक नया बिगनिंग। सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट समथिंग।
और नए बिगनिंग वाले ये देखो,
Yeah.
ये सब फोकस करिए। ये जो दो बैठे हैं, ये नए ऐसे कंधे में हाथ रखे और नए बिगनिंग।
ये बिगिनिंग के खान है। ये बिगिनिंग के खाने यहीं से खुदाई शुरू हो चुकी है।
खुदाई थी, खुदाई
So thank you very much, everybody. Jenny,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ani,
श्वेता,
अब देखो मैं लास्ट हूँ क्योंकि मैं लास्ट आई थी। थैंक यू अमिता, दिस इज माय मर्वल कनेक्शन। थैंक यू अनी सर। थैंक यू अनी सर। सबसे बड़ी बात, एक चीज प्लीज, सबसे बड़ी बात थी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग मी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस। I'm always happy thinking of paper now. Anything about it. And लोगों के लिए इतना लोग बोल
बात
चुके
बोलिए,
हैं।
please.
हाँ,
Share
मेरे
बात
पास
एक सेकेंड, आपकी बेटी जो बेचारी छुप कर पीछे बैठी है उसके लिए बोल दो, सबसे ज्यादा सीन आपने उसके साथ किया है।
नहीं, मैंने scenes तो सबके साथ किए हैं।
We did not meet her yet. Sorry.
I want to tell you, but
अभी तो आई है।
Actually, I meet her.
So all in all, guys, we've had a wonderful experience shooting for Bepana, and I hope you guys enjoyed with us the tears and the laughter and the fun and the frolic. We owe it all to you. Thank you so very much for Bepana Mohabbat. And Nehal,
I just want to say thank you so much. You guys have tagged me everywhere, and I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting Anirudh. Thank you so much for supporting the whole Bepana team. I love you, Jenny. I love you, Harshad. I love each and everybody of you.
Any question was there?
Thank you so much for doing Bepana. Thank you so much.
They are requesting you to sing the song of Bepana once.
I'm gonna play the song. Wait.
Okay.
जाके गाओ.
So just one more thing, guys. You have given so much of Bepana love to us. Please don't do these hatred and bashing.
Yeah.
That's
Bashing point.
we
Don't
are all, of course, we're sad about the show ending, but we want to keep the love alive. We pray and we hope that you guys do the same. Please don't do the bashing. Keep the Bepana love alive, please.
Yes.
So now the song. Dialogue तो मैं लिखती हूँ.
ट्रेंड कहीं और ले जाते हैं। I guess so.
किसकी बात है? स्पीकर पे लगाए आपको, थोड़ा स्पीकर का वॉल्यूम पहले ऊपर करना पड़ेगा। मेरे को तो वो स्पीकर मेरे से ही चलता है।
सोचिए सर, कंसीव देखिए, स्पीकर सिर्फ मेरे से चलेगा।
बिल्ली उसी की
मेरी कोई
बिल्ली नहीं है। और वो अगर होगी भी तो म्याऊं नहीं करेगी।
नहीं बिल्ली नहीं होगी, म्याऊं कर सकती है। इसका कुत्ता म्याऊं कर सकता है लेकिन बिल्ली नहीं।
हाँ, अरे वो इसका
Acha, one more thing I forgot, guys. One more thing. There is a bigger team of Bepana beyond just
We want all
the
to applause for them.
yes. From all our writers, Srinita, Nikita, Ishita, Isha, our crew,
9 to
our
9.
yes, all our crews,
And Vikram
Ladhe, Hanus, Tahir,
Tahir,
producer,
Kader bhai.
and of course Mr. Mehta, producer.
And Junior Shah, Prem Kishan.
Yes, Mr. Prem Kishan also. Thank you to all of them, and they are also the bigger.
I would love to thank everybody
Thank you so much,
and for Neha, to Ali, and to
Navita and Sevan, thank you so much for joining.
Oh, they're there?
Thank you.
नहीं चालू हो रहा है.
Shall we not sing? Man
Speaker नहीं चल रहा है? नहीं चल रहा, उसका चार्ज खत्म हो गया.
Oh wow, wait. लगाओ क्या?
एक मिनट रुको, मैं लगाऊं?
सरजमी पर बरसात ला गए, एक झपकी में तेरे साथ ख्वाब आ गए, बेपनाह बेपनाह प्यार है तुमसे, बेपनाह बेपनाह प्यार है तुमसे.
Bye bye.
Maybe drink now.